Brent with Kansas Hydrographics. We are back with Pattern of the Week. Alright, we call this black water drops. It is 1 meter wide. It is a black and transparent film, so you could use about any base coat color you choose. We're going to be using white so you can see the color in the print. We will be using the Hydrographics Activator from Kansas Hydrographics. Same as always, a 60-second soak time at a 90-degree tank. About 18 to 20 psi. That is the black water drops. That's a pretty neat print. You can purchase this at KansasHydrographics.com. Thank you, and I'll see you guys next time.